Hey guys, welcome to our channel AptiPro. This video is a continuation of direction sense test. If you haven't watched the previous videos yet, I'll provide the link in the description below. Go check it out. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there, he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. How far and in which direction is he with reference to his starting point? So let's break the question. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there, he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. Now we know that ACD forms a right angle triangle. AC is equal to AB minus BC. So 10 minus 6 gives 4 kilometers. Also we know CD is equal to 3 kilometers. From Pythagoras theorem, AD is equal to square root of AC square plus CD square. That is square root of 4 square plus 3 square, which is 5 kilometers. So we have obtained AD as 5 kilometers. Also they have asked the direction. So this is the initial point and this is the final point. So the direction is towards northeast. See, this is the direction. So the answer is 5 kilometers northeast. Johnson left for his office in his car. He drove 15 kilometers towards north and then 10 kilometers towards west. He then turned to south and covered 5 kilometers. Further, he turned to the east and moved 8 kilometers. Finally, he turned right and drove 10 kilometers. How far and in which direction is he from the starting point? So Johnson left for his office. Now he drives 15 kilometers towards north. Then 10 kilometers towards west. He then turns to south and covered 5 kilometers. Then he turns to east and moves 8 kilometers. Finally, he turned right and drove 10 kilometers. Now we have to find the distance between the initial point and the final point and also the direction. So we have to find AF. Consider this point as O. From the figure, we can say that CB is equal to DE plus EO. So 10 is equal to 8 plus EO and EO is equal to 2 kilometers. Also, EO is similar to AF. So AF is equal to 2 kilometers. And the direction from initial and final point is along the west direction. This is A and this is F. So it is in west direction. So the answer is 2 kilometers west. Moving on to next question. One morning after sunrise, Ram, while going to school, met Raj at road crossing. Raj's shadow was exactly to the right of Ram. If they were face to face, which direction was Ram facing? So the first clue is sunrise. So we know that sun rises in the east. If sun is in east direction, the shadow will be in west direction. So this is Raj, and his shadow is in west direction. And he meets Ram face to face. So this is Raj, this is Ram. Also they have given that Raj's shadow was exactly to the right of Ram. So Raj's shadow is exactly to the right of Ram. This is Ram's right side. From this we can say that Ram is facing in south direction. So the answer is south. Moving on to next question. X and Y start moving towards each other from two places 200 meters apart. Consider 2 points P and Q which are separated by 200 meters. X starts at P and Y starts at Q. Then after walking 60 meters, Y turns left and goes 20 meters. So Y walks for 60 meters. Then he turns left and goes for 20 meters. And then he turns right and goes 40 meters. He then turns right and comes back to the road on which he had started walking. So if AB is 20 meters, CD is also 20 meters. If CB is 40 meters, AD is also 40 meters. Now the total distance covered by Y is (60 plus 20 plus 40 plus 20), that is along this path. So it gives 140 meters. They have given that X and Y walk with same speed. So total distance covered by X is also 140. But X goes in a straight line. If Y covers the distance in a straight line, then the distance would be 60 plus 40. That is 100 meters. Y covers 140 meters, but on straight line he covers 100 meters. X covers 140 meters since the speed of X and Y are equal. Now the difference between the distance of X and Y is 140 minus 100, which is 40 meters. Pause this video, try this question and post your answer in the comment section below. If you haven't watched the previous videos yet, the link is provided in the description below. Go check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.